Welcome to Fly with Odin. Today you can join me on a flight across Chantaburi Grand Canyon. It is a rainy day and we were sitting in a coffee shop when I looked out of the window and saw a strange mountain under a patch of blue sky. I looked in Google Maps and it is listed as Chantaburi Grand Canyon. As it was only 5 minutes away, we decided to take a look. A nice farmer let us look at the canyon from his durian garden, and I flew Dji Avata from there. Actually, you don't need to go there if you don't fly a drone, because from any viewpoint there is only a very limited view. Yet the scenery is spectacular. The reflections of the clouds in the different colored ponds is difficult to describe, but easy to show with a drone. Please give us your like. If you give us your like, you do two things. First, it tells us that you like this video. Second, you tell YouTube to show it to more people. For whatever reason you click like, it brings a big smile to my face. Thank you. To stay in touch, please subscribe and turn on all notifications. To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle. Not so long ago, the landscape looked very different. As you can see, the mine is active and they are working hard to mine whatever is usable here. Soon there will be not much left of this mountain range. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.